Good news, residents in Basilan are expected to receive improved and higher quality health services as the Basilan Medical Center has been upgraded, increasing its bed capacity from 100 to 500 to accommodate more patients in the province. Philippine Information Agency Basilan's Nilda de los Reyes has the full report.
The Basilan Medical Center, previously known as Basilan General Hospital, has unveiled its new logo signifying a transition for a better healthcare for Basileños. In her message, Dr. Siti Norosamsi Amilasan, Medical Center Chief of Basilan Medical Center, emphasized a transformation of the health facility by virtue of Republic Act No. 12056, upgrading Basilan General Hospital from 100-bed capacity to 500-bed capacity and will be called Basilan Medical Center.
It is a reflection of our shared commitment to provide accessible, inclusive, and quality healthcare services to all Basileños. So allow me to begin by recognizing and expressing our deepest gratitude to Honorable Congressman Mujib Hataman, sir. Sir, your unwavering dedication and effort as the forerunner of this historic bill in the Senate have brought us to this day. Your vision for a healthier Basilan serve as an inspiration to all of us. As provided under the law, the Basilan Medical Center, as 500-bed capacity level 3 general hospital, shall follow the Department of Health 8-point agenda and shall align our mission and vision for the ligtas, kalidad, at mapagkalinang serbisyo, teknolohiya para sa mabilis na serbisyo, handa sa krisis, proteksyon sa anumang pandemya, and we shall promote and protect our workforce para sa kapakanan at karapatan ng mga health workers.
Meanwhile, Basilan Lone District Representative Mujib Hataman, who championed the bill in upgrading the health facility, narrated their experiences during the pandemic, where he said served as his inspiration to push for the upgrading of Basilan General Hospital in order to upgrade also its services. On the part of the Department of Health, Undersecretary Achilles Gerald Bravo shared the need for more staff to ensure that Basilan Medical Center becomes the top hospital in Basilan, and he committed to fast-track the opening of additional plantilla positions.
Ang hinihintay ko na ngayon, pabilisan ni Dr. Siti yung IRR. I have already talked with DBM Central Officer. Kahit hinihintay namin yung ninyo, yung IRR, I have already talked with DBM Zamboanga. We will fast-track the creation of the positions.
On October 2024, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. signed Republic Act No. 12056, or an act upgrading Basilan General Hospital in the city of Isabela de Basilan into Level 3 Hospital to be known as Basilan Medical Center. From Basilan Province, Nilda de los Reyes of the Philippine Information Agency for Balitang Pambansa.